Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be seeing how to use a straightener to get this beautiful bouncy curls. So this is my favorite method of curling my hair, and if you would like to see how I do this, then please keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Vinisha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So first I have washed my hair and then applied the Kerastase heat protectant on my hair, and then I followed it by applying some Moroccan oil hair serum on my hair. I let it air dry, and this is how my hair looks like the next day. To do some curls, what I'm going to be doing is dividing my hair, and for that first I'm going to be taking an ear to ear section. And I'm going to be pinning this on top. Next, with whatever hair that is remaining, I'm going to divide it into two, remove all the tangles. So you're going to be starting with the innermost hair section. So I'm going to be taking this and I'm going to be pinning it away. Today I'm going to be using my Dyson Corrale for curling my hair. So you are going to be holding it like this, squeezing in between your straightener, twisting it completely, and then slowly bringing it down. You see, this is how you get this beautiful curl. I'm gonna be showing you one more time. So you're gonna be holding it like this, putting it forward, turning your hair straightener like this, and slowly bringing it down. That is how you get this beautiful curl. One more time. You're gonna be clamping this first, bringing this hair forward, twisting your straightener, and then bringing it down. See? So let me do my entire hair and then get back to you. So now, since the lower part of my hair is done, I'm gonna be removing this section, and then so what you're gonna do is take two section clips and then just clip these away so that it doesn't mix with the rest of your hair. Next, I'm gonna be dividing here, and I'm gonna be clipping this away. Again, I'm going to be dividing this section into two. Make sure that there is no tangles. I'm going to be starting with this section from behind. So why we start from the section behind is, when you do a section from behind and when you curl it, you just leave this portion undisturbed. Whereas if you start from the center, you keep pulling the hair in the front and the curls get disturbed. So that's why we do it from the back. Now I'm going to be removing these clips and clipping this hair away. Now I'm going to be dividing this section into two, right in the middle. And clipping this away. And like how I did the previous one, I'm going to be dividing this into two, removing the tangles, sectioning it and going with each sections. Now when you do this front section, you want to make sure which partition side you want to make. So if you're doing a center partition, then do the partition now and then decide your directions. Otherwise, if you want a side partition, then you have to follow like how I am doing. So take your side partition, and in this side you're gonna do it in this direction. So when you do your front, make sure that you do the curling downwards. Do not do it like this, otherwise you might see all those baby hair and everything poking like this. So in order to make them flat and not stand out like this, you have to do it in this direction. So when I'm doing this section, I make sure that I'm just going downwards and not doing it in a way where I pull my hair like this, because that is only when your baby hair is going to fall down rather than standing straight. So be very careful when you're doing in the front. Now one quick tip to give you that volume in the front. So when your hair is slightly warm, take it in a puff like this and then clip it like this and keep it like this for almost 30 minutes, so that with the heat you will get this volume in the front. Once after 30 minutes, when your hair is all set, that's when you remove it and then just flip on which direction you want your partition to be. So if you could see now, this is how beautiful these curls have turned out. So the most important reason why I like to use a straightener over a curler is I get really smooth hair in the top and then curls in the bottoms, which I really like. I mean, it's obviously personal preference. If you want really wavy curly hair, then you can use a normal curler. Do let me know in the comments below if you want me to show you how to use a curler, and I'll definitely make a video for you guys. Honestly, in order to make these curls last, you have to use a hairspray in case you're going for any event, a wedding or any party. Then you definitely have to use a hairspray to set this, otherwise the curls will eventually loosen itself. Also, if you are looking for long lasting curls, then make sure that you use a temperature above 200, so that way the curls are gonna last for really long. If you are doing it on an everyday basis, then I would say you could go on with a temperature of 160 to 180, not more than that. Only on special occasions go with a temperature that is a little bit higher to make your curls last longer. Yes, so this is how I get my curls done before shooting videos or before any events. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Do let me know in the comments below what else video would you guys like to see on my channel, and I'll definitely make such videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.